Some nights feel heavier than others. The house is quiet, but the silence hurts. Words were spoken that cannot be taken back. Love feels distant, even from those we cherish. You lie awake, replaying moments, wondering where things began to break, missing how it used to feel, hoping someone understands this ache. Tonight, this prayer is a soft place to rest, a gentle moment to breathe and be held. You are not alone in this. Peace can still find your family. Welcome to Spiritually United, where hearts find peace and souls feel at home. God, we come to you in the quiet of this night. We bring the fractures we don't know how to mend, the conversations that ended too soon, the distance that grew without permission. Sit with us here. Cover every broken relationship with your calm. Teach our hearts how to soften again. Hold our families while we sleep. Lord, as the night deepens, we breathe your name slowly. We lay down the weight we've carried all day, the unanswered messages, the tension that never fully leaves the room. You see every family member separately. You know what each heart is holding back, the pain behind anger, the fear hiding under silence. God, we ask you to move where we cannot. Soften hearts that feel guarded. Bring rest to minds that keep revisiting the past. Teach us how to release what we cannot control. Wrap every broken family in your nearness tonight. Let your peace enter rooms where sleep has been restless. Let your mercy whisper hope where discouragement settled. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. We trust you with what feels fragile. Stay with us through this night. Father, in this still moment, we rest our thoughts in you. The day is finished, but some worries linger. Memories rise when the lights go out. Faces come to mind that feel both close and far away. You know the love that still exists beneath the hurt. You see the tears that were never shared. You understand the longing for reconciliation, the quiet hope that things might one day feel whole again. God, tend gently to every heart in our families tonight, especially the ones who feel misunderstood, especially the ones who feel blamed or forgotten. Meet them where they are, without pressure or demand. As we lie here, slow our breathing. Ease the tension we've been carrying in our bodies. Let forgiveness begin softly, even if it's incomplete. Let healing start small, like a whisper. We place our families into your hands, not to fix everything at once, but to trust you through this night. Lord, the night continues, and we remain with you. In this quiet space where defenses fall away, we let our hearts speak honestly, not with perfect words, but with truth. You know the exhaustion that comes from trying to hold a family together, the weariness of hoping again after disappointment, the ache of loving people we cannot reach right now. You see it all, and you do not turn away.
God, breathe your peace into our homes, into bedrooms where tears have been shed, into living rooms filled with memories, both warm and painful. Let your presence move gently through every space. Teach us patience when answers are slow. Give us grace when emotions feel tangled. Remind us that healing is a process, not a moment, and that you are working even when we cannot see it.
Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. So tonight, we choose stillness. We choose trust over striving. We rest our broken families in you and allow your peace to guard us through the night. God, as this prayer continues, we remain open before you, not rushing toward morning, not forcing answers, just resting in your presence together. we lift up the moments that shaped our families, the good ones that still warm our hearts, and the painful ones that left quiet scars. You were present in all of them.
Lord, tend to the places where trust was broken, where misunderstandings grew into walls, where pride or fear kept love from being spoken. Touch those places gently tonight. Teach us how to listen again, not to respond, but to truly hear. Give us humility where we feel defensive, and courage where reconciliation feels frightening. As we lie here, remind us that families are held by you, not by our perfection, not by our strength, but by your steady faithfulness. Let sleep come softly now. Let our minds grow quiet, and let hope remain alive, even in the unfinished places of our families. Lord, the night moves gently forward, and we stay with you, breathing slower now, letting the sharp edges of the day soften, allowing your nearness to settle over us. Some family wounds are old. They learned how to stay quiet. They surface only when the world grows still. You see them now, without judgment.
God, sit beside every person who feels forgotten, those who feel replaced, those who wonder if they still belong. Remind them that your love does not withdraw. Where division has lived too long, bring calm first, not forced unity, not rushed conversations, just peace that makes space for healing. Let your spirit move gently between family members.
Even in silence, even across distance, even when pride feels stronger than hope. Psalm 133:1. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Tonight, we don't demand that unity. We trust you to grow it in time. As we rest our bodies and our hearts, hold our families through this night, and cover every broken place with your steady peace.
God, we remain here with you as the night holds steady. Nothing needs to be solved right now. Nothing needs to be explained. Your presence alone is enough for this moment. Some hearts in our families feel tired of trying, tired of reaching out first, tired of being misunderstood. You see that fatigue, and you honor it.
Lord, place your hand over the ones who feel invisible, the ones who smile during the day but ache at night, the ones who still love deeply even after being hurt. Let them feel your closeness now. Where words have caused harm, bring gentleness to memory. Where silence has lingered too long, bring comfort instead of blame. Where distance feels permanent, remind us that you are not limited by time or space.
As we rest, teach us to release the need to control outcomes, to trust that you are working quietly, behind the scenes of our understanding, within hearts we cannot reach on our own. Let this night be a pause, a place of mercy, a soft breath for broken families. We lean into you now, covered by your love, held through the dark.
Father, the night feels softer now, and we rest deeper in you. The world outside has grown quiet. Even our thoughts begin to slow. This is where your peace meets us. You know the prayers we don't have words for, the ones we carry in our chest, the ones shaped by years of loving, imperfect people. You hear them all without strain. God, move gently through our families as we sleep. Touch hearts that are closed with tenderness. Cover old hurts with patience. Let understanding grow where assumptions once lived. We ask for healing that does not rush, for change that feels safe, for moments of grace that arrive unexpectedly. Even small steps matter to you. Remind us tonight that nothing is beyond your reach. No conversation too late, no relationship too broken, no heart too far away. Matthew 19:26. With God, all things are possible. So we release our families into your care again. We loosen our grip. We trust your timing. As sleep settles in, let hope remain quietly alive, resting beneath the surface, held by you through the night.
Lord, we stay with you as the night stretches on. Sleep comes in gentle waves now. Thoughts drift more slowly. Our bodies begin to feel safe enough to rest. Some of us still carry quiet questions. Will things ever feel normal again? Will love find its way back? Will broken places truly heal?
God, you are not unsettled by our uncertainty. You do not rush our faith. You remain steady when we feel unsure, and that steadiness comforts us tonight. Cover every family member with your watchful care, those nearby and those far away, those who reach out easily, and those who don't know how anymore.
Let your peace stand guard over our minds. Gently quiet the inner conversations that replay old pain. Replace them with rest, with calm, with the reassurance that you are present. As this night deepens, remind us that healing often happens unseen, while we sleep, while we breathe, while we wait. We do not need to force tomorrow tonight. We simply rest in you now, trusting that even in the dark, you are holding our families with care.
God, the night is now deep and still. Our breathing has slowed. Our bodies are resting where they are, and our hearts remain open before you. We thank you for staying with us through these quiet hours, for not turning away from brokenness, for listening without impatience, for holding what we could no longer carry alone. Lord, continue your gentle work within our families, beyond this prayer, beyond this night, in ways we may never fully see.
Bless each person connected to our hearts. Protect them as they sleep. Soften what has grown hard. Preserve what is still tender. Let tomorrow come without dread, without pressure to fix everything at once. Just enough grace for the next step. Just enough love to begin again. Psalm 121:8. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore.
So we release this night into your care. We release our families once more, trusting your watchful presence, trusting your patient love. As sleep settles fully in, let peace remain, deep, steady, and quietly faithful. We'll meet again tomorrow, right here in Spiritually United, and you can explore more peaceful videos on this channel.